Hi, hello, welcome back to Sri's channel. In previous video we have learnt about possessive nouns. Today let us learn about countable and uncountable noun. Before we actually start into, please subscribe my channel and press bell button. If any doubts, let me know through comment section. Okay. So countable nouns. What are countable nouns? As the name itself indicates that the nouns which we can count, if suppose we can count any noun, then they are said to be countable nouns. So since we are able to count, we will have single or more than one. So single, if we have only one, it is singular, and more than one, plural. A countable noun is a singular noun and may have a or an before it. So what are countable nouns? The things which we can count are called countable nouns. For example, I have pens in my hand. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 pens. Since they are countable, I am able to count them. Okay. And I plucked a rose. Roses are countable. The hen laid an egg. Eggs are countable. You might have got a doubt why we should use a rose, an egg. We will discuss it later in upcoming videos about a and an. For time being, just understand that we use a or an before countable nouns. Coming to uncountable nouns, as the name itself indicates that they are uncountable, they are unable to count. Uncountable nouns are nouns which we cannot count. For instance, dust, air, water, etc. So here is a glass of water. Can we count this water? No, we can't count. So uncountable nouns may have some, a lot, or much before them. So since we can't count them, we should use these words before our uncountable nouns. For instance, he drank a lot of water. He drank some water. We need to use. If suppose we need to measure uncountable nouns, there are ways. For instance, we can count sugar with a spoon. A spoonful of sugar, it means 1 spoon or many more than that. A spoonful of sugar. A slab of butter, a bucket of water, and many such. So with these things, with these words, we are able to count uncountable nouns. Coming to compound noun is the combination of 2 or more words. So 2 or more words joined together to form a compound noun. A compound noun can be written as 1 word or 2 words. So when we join 2 or more words to form a new word, it is called compound noun. These compound nouns can be written as a single word or 2 words. For instance, bedroom or dining room. And examples of compound nouns can be breakfast, cell phone, gold ring, etc. Gold is different, ring is different. When we combine, we get a gold ring, a ring made out of gold. So that is new word. So a small exercise for you: form compound nouns from the following words. Ear, loud, air, bed are one set of words. Speaker, room, ring, pot or another set of words. Please send me answers in the comment section. And since we have completed the noun topic, a small exercise on whole topics of noun till now we have discussed. So here are 5 sentences, covers all the nouns. So please identify the types of nouns, and almost all nouns are covered if 1 or 2 exempted. So type your answers through comment section and let me know your answers. The first one is, the crowd was very big. Second sentence, always speak the truth. Third sentence, the elephant has great strength. Fourth one, Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister. Fifth one, I believe innocence. So I request you Try to find out the answers and let me know through comment section. Okay. Before I end up, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get upcoming videos as well. Thank you.